Welcome back to another video. My name is Uniquely Undeniable, and I'm going to be cooking eggs that has onions and bacon in it. I have an onion right here, and I need my cutting glove. I'm scared without it. I'm using a cutting glove.
Covered with a rubber glove.
Yep. And I am using a very dangerous weapon. That is not a knife.
It is.
Okay. Nothing happened.
Chopped onions.
We're also gonna need bacon. Okay, so the way I cook it in the microwave, and I go cook. You click the cook button, and then you click 2, and then you click how many pieces of bacon you have. Here there is 5, so you'd click cook to 5. Oh, whoops. Cook. What? Cook to 5. And then you put this in.
With the paper towel on top too.
Oh yeah. Paper towel on top.
Keeps the grease from splattering all over.
True. And I know how hard it is to clean up. And then you cook. We'll be waiting here for 3 minutes and 20. Well, we have these bacon while this one's cooking. We have these 4, which somehow stuck together. Someone put them too close. I didn't cook these ones. I know that bacon should not be close. Cut. I'm not cutting. Don't cut.
Sorry, you could probably break it.
Yeah, true. But I don't want it. It'd probably be easier to do one at a time.
Either way.
I mean, last time it was easy not doing one at a time.
Just keep your fingers away from the blade.
Then gotta do it for that. I'm gonna start doing one at a time. So what I do is I mix it up with the onions. There's a lot of bacon.
Maybe we need more onion.
Yeah, true. Okay, you need to put butter on the pan. Some people use a knife. I use a spatula because you're gonna need the spatula for the eggs.
And it keeps you from keeps you from having to do extra dishes.
Yeah, true. I mean, either way, you'll still have to do. Oh, we know, because a knife and a spatula instead of just a spatula. This is gonna be way too little, but
You can use more.
I know. Some people, like me, I put it on high until the bottom of the butter melts. Like, melts so it's slippery.
Another safety tip. Get the butter away from the flame.
Jeez. Oh, Mom, can you do the eggs real quick? Well, I forgot to do the eggs, but when you get as many eggs as you want in here, you gotta. I'm not very good at doing this, so what I sometimes do is I just poke holes in it and let it go through the fork so it's easier.
And then he calls me.
I'm not very good at this. So you could add salt or pepper. I mean, you could add both. normally it's supposed, but you could add any seasoning you want. And I'm pretty sure most people know this, but to get pepper in easier, you just gotta do this. And it goes in easier. Now I gotta mix it. Okay. Now I'll put the salt and pepper back.
Might need more butter.
Now turn it up more. I don't use more butter.
Okay.
And now I gotta wait for the onions to get brown. No, quick, quick.
Quick what?
Turn off speed. The eggs are gonna stick to the pan.
So you turn down the heat.
Either way, they're gonna stick. The first time I didn't know that, and they got stuck to the pan, and the eggs didn't work out so well. Get the eggs off the side.
Yep. Flip them.
Not yet. I want it golden brown, so I wait. Okay, it's done sticking. That means it's been cooked. But I want golden brown. What?
You're not even over the flame.
Well, I have to hold that page. Now I just have to wait. I'm good at the waiting game sometimes. Waiting game is sometimes I'm good at the waiting game, other times I'm not. Smack it. Wait, but I have to check. It's not very brown. I'll hold this. Can you flip it for me? Sizzle, sizzle, cook, cook. You can make them however you want, scrambled, golden brown.
The secret ingredient that we won't show.
Yeah, we can't show it, so. Well, we put in something we like to put in that my mom says it's the secret ingredient, so we can't show it. It's like, I mean, I can't say it.
Some people know it, but that's just because they're chefs and they guessed.
Yeah, but also, I want to say something. But my mom doesn't like it. I was gonna say it's like the secret ingredient in SpongeBob. Huh? Oh, now we could do satisfaction.
Okay, so take a video of that.
Oh, they look so good. Steaming hot.
And then satisfaction.
Listen. My satisfying
I think
senses.
that's our favorite part.
My satisfying senses are tingling. Okay. Now, yesterday I made them and my mom already tasted them, and I did, but I love it. Oh, notice notice how we're not those YouTubers that are like, oh, it's so good. Like and subscribe if you want to eat it right now. We're like, oh, it's so good. But also, it's good. But you should still like and subscribe. Bye.